Tommy here from Green Rhino. Doing some hardwood floor cleaning today. You can use Squeaky Clean. I'm going to use the Oric with the white pad for the bathrooms, the smaller areas. Then I also have this right here for the even smaller areas. You know, use your hand. Squeaky Clean's already mixed up. I've got the multi-wash in there for the larger areas with the brushes to help get the soil out of the cracks. And as you can tell, gloved up face mask, right? So unfortunately, the carpet cleaning industry is not affected by the lockdown here in California, or in my area, San Luis Obispo County, because we're in safety and sanitation. So yeah, so we still get to work. Although the phone isn't ringing off the hook, we can still work. Okay. So the floors are just dirty. She just wants them clean, and then she wants another finish put over it. Doesn't seem to have any wax on it or anything, so though it's kind of shiny, it's basically going to be even shinier. So on the way out, we're going to put some finish down there. I'm using the multi-wash. Got the solution in there. See the sample area. Looks good. Customer's okay with it, so we're going to continue. And we got some rugs to do, or carpet. So, all right, stay tuned. This thing's in the way. Cleaned up really good, guys. Look. Can't really see it, but so this is similar to what a dirt dragon is, right? By custom coating. That's strictly hardwood floor cleaning. But I use this for tile grout carpets, well, pre-scrubbing carpets. But mainly, the best tool for hardwood floor cleaning, especially when you have those deep grooves. The brushes help pull it out. I got to give credit to Courtney or Truman Steamers. He gave me the courage to go forward with the hardwood floor cleaning. He does use the Dirt Dragon, but like I said, this does the same thing. That's what your 175 is not going to do. Alright. So before I put a finish on here, I am going to go through here again, do a good dust mop, make sure there isn't any debris laying around. Right now I'm just picking up the moisture in places that are hard to get. See, that's like one of the worst areas of the house. I'll take a picture. Alright, so in all the little small areas, we use the Ort with the white pad. He got in these areas here, and then he has a little hand pad that he got in the tight little areas. So I'm just going to go through with the multi-wash in the bigger areas. If you want to go ahead and go ahead and vacuum now, I guess. Vacuum both. Either way. We're doing carpets too, so he did all the detail work, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up doing that. Alright, so got the floor covering over the freshly cleaned hardwood floor. What we're going to do is we're going to clean the carpets next. And the last thing I'm going to do is put down the refinish. So until then we're going to protect this floor so I don't get this nicely clean floor dirty. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling hoses and get this carpet cleaning going. All right, stay tuned. The heavy sealed traffic area here. That's the worst part of it. Alright, I'm gonna move this thing and spray under it. Stay tuned. Refinish on this floor, onto the next. Hold this with one hand. We need to get the carpet rake out before we leave and rake up this.
Carpet rake?
Yeah. And we haven't did this one yet. So. Guys, all finished up. Work my way out. You know, this floor, it needs restoration, but this is what you can do with it to make it look pretty for what you got. It needs sanding and all that stuff. You want to get that look back because it's been refinished. Well, refinisher has been put down over the dirt. She had some laying around the house and used it for floor shine, but you know, she had no idea. It's not her fault. But you're supposed to do a deep clean before you put that stuff down, or else you just sealing the dirt down. So we made it look as good as it can get, and I hope she's happy with it. We're gonna take off now. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. It's raining. Look at that. Oh well. All right. See you in the next video.